It started as a simple GitHub search. I was looking for something specific, completely unrelated, and then one repository link led to another, and before I knew it, it was 2 a.m., and I had 5 browser tabs open with toolkits I could not close. Not individual tools, toolkits. The kind where you open the menu and think, okay, this thing has everything. Information gathering, password attacks, exploitation, post-exploitation, wireless testing, web hacking, all of it, organized in one place. Like having a personal Kali Linux in a single GitHub repository. I'm showing you all 5. Disclaimer. Authorized use only. Every toolkit here is for ethical hacking, your own lab, and systems you have explicit written permission to test. Nothing else. Legal use always. Toolkit number 1. Hackingtool 78,000 GitHub stars. I should have found this sooner, and I'm slightly embarrassed that I didn't. Hackingtool is a menu-driven, all-in-one toolkit with over 100 security tools organized into 17 categories. And when I say 17 categories, I mean 17 actual separate areas of ethical hacking. Anonymously hiding tools, information gathering, word list generators, wireless attacks, SQL injection, phishing, web attacks, post-exploitation, digital forensics, payload creation, exploit frameworks, reverse engineering, DDoS testing, remote administration tools, XSS attacks, steganography, mobile security. You open it and you get a numbered menu. Pick a category, pick a tool, pick install or run. That's the entire workflow. It installs itself with a single command, one curl pipe into bash, and it handles everything. Dependencies, cloning, launcher setup. You can also run it in Docker if you want complete isolation. The search feature is what I kept using most. Type a keyword like OSINT or web, and it filters everything matching that tag instantly. This is the toolkit you send to someone who just got into ethical hacking and doesn't know where to start. Toolkit number 2, fsociety. If you watched Mr. Robot, and if you're in this field, you probably did, the name alone already hooked you. fsociety is a complete penetration testing framework that contains every tool the show's protagonist would have needed. 8 categories, covering the full attack lifecycle: information gathering, password attacks, wireless testing, exploitation tools, sniffing and spoofing, web hacking, private web hacking, and post-exploitation. What separates fsociety from being just a themed novelty is the actual tool selection inside those categories. Nmap for scanning, SET for social engineering, WP-Scan for WordPress, XSStrike for cross-site scripting, AirCrack for wireless, credential recovery tools, web exploitation frameworks, real tools, curated well, organized under a clean menu. The updated Python 3 version maintained by the fsociety team is the one to clone in 2026. The original repo still exists, but the team version has active maintenance and better compatibility. For someone who wants a Mr. Robot-inspired workflow that's actually functional and not just aesthetic, this delivers. Toolkit number 3, Recon FTW. This one is where things go from beginner toolkit to professional automated reconnaissance framework, and the jump is significant. Recon FTW takes a target domain and runs automated reconnaissance across every angle you can think of, and several you probably wouldn't. Passive and active subdomain enumeration across dozens of sources. Certificate transparency logs. Google dorking for sensitive exposed information. GitHub scanning for accidentally committed secrets using Trufflehog, Git leaks, and others. API leak detection. Email and password breach search. Metadata extraction from publicly indexed documents, XSS, SSRF, and SQLI vulnerability checks, port scanning, web screenshots, Microsoft 365 and Azure tenant mapping. All of this happens from a single command against a target domain. You point it and walk away. When you come back, you have a structured intelligence report. The distributed scanning support via the Axe framework is what professional bug bounty hunters reach for when they need to run this across multiple VPS instances simultaneously. Dramatically faster results, no single IP getting rate limited. This is not a beginner tool, but it's the toolkit that separates people doing manual recon one tool at a time from people doing it the way professionals actually do. Toolkit number 4, BBOT. BBOT describes itself as a recursive internet scanner for hackers. That description sounds simple until you understand what recursive means in this context. Every piece of data BBOT finds becomes a new input for further scanning. A subdomain leads to an IP. That IP leads to other domains sharing it. Those domains surface more subdomains. The entire attack surface maps itself, automatically, branching outward from your starting point until there's nothing left to find. 80 plus modules covering the full OSINT and Recon workflow. Subdomain enumeration with AI-powered mutation word lists. Port scanning. Automatic web screenshots of discovered hosts using GoWitness. Vulnerability scanning using nuclei against everything it finds. Email harvesting. GitHub secret scanning, and more. The Neo4j integration is the visual feature that genuinely impresses. All discovered data feeds into an interactive graph database you can explore visually. Nodes and edges showing how every discovered asset connects to everything else. It turns a list of findings into a map. One command, your entire attack surface. Mapped, scanned, screenshotted, and visualized. pipx install BBOT. Toolkit number 5, Osmedeus. Last one, and the one that surprised me most at 2 AM, because the interface is something I wasn't expecting from a GitHub repository. Osmedeus is an automated offensive security framework, but instead of a terminal menu or a command that runs and dumps output to a file, it has a web-based dashboard. You start Osmedeus and open a browser. You see your scan status, discovered assets, vulnerability findings, and progress in real time through a proper UI. The workflow system is where it gets interesting. Osmedeus runs configurable workflows, ordered sets of modules covering reconnaissance, subdomain discovery, web analysis, vulnerability scanning, content discovery, and screenshot capture. And you choose which workflow to run based on what the engagement requires. You can build custom workflows for specific use cases. For bug bounty hunters running continuous automated scanning across multiple programs, Osmedeus provides the infrastructure. It handles scheduling, deduplication of results, and notification when new findings surface, so you're not manually rerunning scans. The scanner runs, you get notified. Professional-grade tooling, free, open source, and it was sitting on GitHub the entire time. Like and subscribe if this was useful. Drop a comment. Which of these 5 are you cloning first? See you in the next one.